Just going to show you the two ways of stowing the ramp. So the ramp is obviously in the out position at the moment. The first position I'll show you is how to put it in when you've got a wheelchair in the car. So that's now securely stowed, and you can just close the boot lid down. Second option is the one you use when there's no wheelchair in the car. So this is more likely to be when you're perhaps picking up some items you bought or shopping or whatever. So I'll just show you that option. So this time we're going to be closing it with this little handle, which is just on the left hand side here. And then that's neatly stowed, and you can now close down the boot lid again. But that's handy if you've got shopping or big boxes or containers you want to pop in there, provided you've got no wheelchair user in there, otherwise a bit of a squish. If you make sure all the restraint straps that are used on the winch to get the wheelchair into the car, if they're out of the way, then you'll find it easier to put the platform down. What some people don't always explain to you is that on some of the cars there is a little release catch for the rear windscreen, so as you can pop shopping in or something like that, but you just have to make sure that it's totally closed when you're in transit. So basically you're looking out for the little handle, which is just under here. So just under here there's a handle there, just to the right hand side of the number plate. So if you just pull that out, it's an electric handle, then that releases. So then that releases the window, but you have to make sure that that window is fully stowed before you drive along, otherwise it will probably break off or shatter. Make sure you press it firmly shut. And there's the handle again. Out it comes. A little bit like how you're closing your boot catch.